Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. The channel name is Bio by Bilal. In this video, I'm going to talk about the cell. Bigger pardon, I am an animal cell. The animal cell consists of various structures. First and foremost structure in the animal cell, that is called the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is called the selectively permeable membrane. It selects the materials which are responsible for the different kinds of the functions of the cell, and it separates the extracellular fluid from the intracellular fluid. It also has many functions, but here I will show only some functions. Then another structure called the mitochondria, which is to be called as the powerhouse of the cell. It generates ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It is also called the energy currency of the cell. It is most abundant found in the liver cells, and it is also double-walled cell organelle, great cell organelle, we can say. Another part of the cell is called the cytoplasm, which is most important part of the cell. It shows streaming movement of the matrix, that is to be called as the cyclosis. And cytoplasm consists of sol and gel state. Sol is the liquid colloidal solution. Gel is thick semi-solid colloidal solution. And this is found between the cell membrane and the nucleus and contains all structures and substances needed to decode instructions of the DNA. Then another part of the cell is called the ER. ER is called the endoplasmic reticulum, which was coined by the Porter in 1953. It is absent in prokaryotes and mature mammalian RBCs. ER is a complex cell organelle, helps in synthesis, packaging and processing of the various cell organelles or the various cell substances. In mature cells, ER occurs in two forms. One is called the RER, R means rough, and second is called the SER, S means smooth. Then another point which I have to mention here, I am giving here the diagram of the this endoplasmic reticulum, ER as well as SER. RER is studded with ribosomes, that is why it is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in the synthesis of proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of the body. Then another point, that is to be the second part of the endoplasmic reticulum called the SER, which lacks ribosomes, hence to be called as smooth. SER helps in synthesis of steroid hormones. It helps in lipid metabolism. It helps in glycogen breakdown. Glycogen is a long chain of glucose units, and it also helps in detoxification of the substances. It is most abundant in the liver cells, which helps in detoxification of the drugs. Then another point which I have to mention here, overall functions of the ER. ER acts as circulatory system of the cell. It helps in the circulation of the food material. It helps in muscle contraction by releasing and uptaking of the calcium ions. And it also helps in the formation of the primary lysosomes with the hydrolytic enzymes. And it also helps in the synthesis of nuclear envelope covering up the nucleus during cell division, during telophase stage of the cell division. It also provides space for glycogen, which is the main function of the ER. And at the end, I'm telling you that subscribe my channel, that is Bio by Bilal, and share these videos with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.